Welcome to another stream with your crypto trader, Dajin. Crypto trader is here today, ladies and gentlemen. Let's see how many people we have on the chat. We can see there's probably 0 people in the chat. That's great. This is just what I need. In any case, we'll send hello to all my invisible friends out there. All right, today we're gonna try to scalp a little bit of Bitcoin. So let's put some. See if we can. We'll move into the 5-minute candle chart. It's tested the top. It's probably gonna go get it again. So we're just gonna we'll hit it here. There's one Bitcoin. We'll wait for it to appear. Let's see if we're close from the book. I should grab soon. We're looking at a double top. It would be smart to get in strong at 1 Bitcoin here. And we're going to go ahead and we're going to place another sell of 0.5. Why am I doing that? I think it's going to come back and test it again, before it continues to go down. It's a risky trade, but we're just going to go ahead and execute this for the heck of it. We'll see what happens. Boom. There you go. Right away. Trying to get the 0.5, at least on this trade. We can get this one here on the previous support and see how that plays out. A little refresh. I'm not sure why. Because I closed that trade, but it's still there. See, there you go. Yeah, we only got one open. It's coming for it. Yeah, candle looks pretty neutral. Let's see what's been going on in the past 4 hours. We can see we're nearly at the top of the band here on the 4 hour. So be pretty fucking smart to get on a trade now. Looks to be on the right side, the right time to get out. Boom, there you go. We've been caught. 0.5. Now what we're gonna do now is just gonna wait. First thing first, we'll just set stop here on the top. Are you coming? It's coming for it right now. We'll sell it. Another 0.5 at the top. We'll sell it right here. See if we can grab that one there as well. This could give us a pretty neutral entry. Oh man, this is 5 Bitcoins, not 0.5. Hey. Ooh, that was nearly a big mistake. So let's try it again. 0.5. There you go. I think it's gonna go grab that, but we'll see. Let's cover ourselves with the stop. We'll set this stop around here. 18, 3, 4, 4, 1. We're over here on the stop. In case the price starts shooting up like a madman, we'll carry our losses right there. I'll move that down a bit. We'll see how it plays out, but ideally my stop would be about right here. I'm thinking it's gonna push toward the stop before testing the mid side here on the boundary band, but we'll see. We could go ahead and lower the stop, you know, and get out neutral in the straight if you like to, but I'm just gonna go ahead and take the risk. You know, it's not worth a while. Not enough money on the play. But if we do pick up the other 0.5, and then yeah, there you go, volatility picking up. We should go test it again. Hello, my dear friends out there in the chat. How are you all today? Try to pull this $15 out. And then we can go ahead and do other productive things. You can see here on the triangle, it's broken out. Technically, we should see a retest, you know, of this area, either here or here. Come on, grab me another 0.5. It's gonna go grab right now. It might break out. Don't like how it's not updating my price. I think that 0.5 is still there. Yeah, it's not even there anymore. Or is it? Yeah, it is. Let me, if I can move this just a bit. There you go. That's better. We're moving here towards the wall. That's the idea. So if we get caught, if we do get on the trade, then hopefully we'll get it over down and covers yourself. Yeah, it's pretty pushy. It's pretty decent now. Sell price, here you go. We came on down. I'm gonna just do a little dump in here. So far, so good. We had one strong first test. Second was pretty strong as well. Sell pressure. Third one's coming in pretty strong as well. Towards the top of 19.2. I think if it loses 19, yeah, it could go, well, I don't know. We'll just wait. It could be a good trade to set an entry here, you know, if it loses this. You see, today is pretty cheap to trade, you know, market's nearly neutral. It's a lot of sell pressure, man, on this kind. I think I'm just going to go ahead and 19, 2, I think 19,239 could be a good one, you know, to go short. And we'll do a trigger entry at 0.5 at 19,240. Yeah, because if it loses, we'll just let it go. I think it probability of, oh, there you go. We should get picked up. And here we go. Now we're at a full Bitcoin. We'll see how that gets played out. What we're going to be doing now is we're going to try to manage the stop loss now. Just a little bit closer. All right. Now we can set an entry point. We're looking at one Bitcoin, so let's try to pick up a good buy. Would be at around 1990. We can try to go ahead and get it right off the dot. Come in with a wall here at 19,200. And we're gonna go ahead and buy one. If the price comes at 19,200, we can go 1985, and we'll set limit right there. This is a buy. It's probably gonna get me. We'll see. Yeah, the candle's pretty. There you go. Well, we'll come out 0-0 on that one. Not to worry. Oh, good. In and out. We'll set the 0.5 now again. Let's try to come here. I am definitely gonna go another trigger at. I'm gonna trigger right the fuck up in here. 19,241. 19,241. I'm gonna go trigger sell of one Bitcoin, and we can stick this one up. There you go. Scott picked up again. We do the same thing. We go stop loss of one Bitcoin, and we looking at 19,355. 19,355. We'll set this stop at 19,355, and then we just manage our stop down. Entry price. I will just follow it and see. There you go. Volatility is pretty high. I'm still making a bit of cash here and there, but it definitely trying to go up. That's what it seems anyways. A lot of buy pressure on this last candle. Let's see if we can look how the price is looking at 30 minutes. It hasn't tested the top yet. A pretty safe bet, in my opinion, would be right now maybe 2 Bitcoins. You go 2 Bitcoins at top of the band here, 19,377. It's 3. Let's start. We're gonna sell at 19,367, 19,277, top of the band. If it rushes up, we'll definitely grab that guy. And I'm not consistent, I'm not, let's buy pressure, sell pressure, top of the band. It's been pretty choppy here lately, but it's still printing lower lows, Yeah, man, let me see how we're looking on the 15. Yeah, we'll set the wet a little bit, see if we get picked up. It's getting pretty hot. Pretty hot out there. We should see them on top here before it pulls out. But there you go. It's gonna come at it again. Let's see if it. Let's look at this candle. There you go. If it pulls up again, we'll see how the buy pressure comes in. If it comes in strong for me, it's not worthwhile trading. But if it wicks, then yeah. We're looking at what? $100 difference to the medium. So There, it should bounce at around right here. We'll see. Previous supports right here. We'll see. We should get a bounce right there. You could trade the long as well. You know, like good entry would be around here or even here. But you know, playing the bear. This is what we're gonna do. So pretty weak day today. Hey, volatility's here, but we're just not getting the luck that we need. Let me go ahead and I'm checking the price to see if it's gonna test the top here. This candles. There you go. If it breaks out, it's probably a good boy. Let's see. It shouldn't really break out in the first hang, but there you go. Wick already appeared. Based on all the market conditions, you know, I'm always like tending to try to be short. Might as well do that as well, you know, because fuck, if it loses this bottom here, 19196. Let's just try to be short. We kind of, you see how we're circling the price, you know. You can see sell pressure on the wall here at the 19230, 19230, about right here. Yeah. We just keep an eye. We should get picked up here sooner or later. If you want to be a little bit more aggressive when we come here, just like I said, instead of going 2, now we go 1. We're looking at 1.5. If them comes, most likely it will contest the top again. Yep. There you go. You know, I'm really gonna get on this straight because it's been pumping. So. Yeah, you see a lot of sell pressure coming in. Like I said, we got picked up. Now I had to be careful because, you know, sell pressure is here. 0.5 bitcoins. You know, we can go ahead and set the buy. We'll set the buy. We'll do a stop loss of 0.5. 0.5 bitcoins. What I can say right here. 19. 271, 19271, 192, almost below the limit. Nothing to, we can go ahead and set it right here. It's pretty good. Sell pressure is pretty strong, but you know, volatility is here. I can definitely see that. A lot of sell pressure on the skin though. We'll just keep the stop there in case market goes crazy up, but it should be at least another 0-0, or in this case, even a better trade. We'll try to come in with the price at 19,960. There you go. See, it's 0-0 again. Coming in and out like crazy. Let's see what's gonna play here. Oh man, it's choppy, eh? It's pretty choppy. Yeah. Don't let me lose that trade again. I'm gonna sell short. Trigger entry. I'm gonna go hard now. Go hard at 19169. 19169. Well, let's try to cover this guy here, man, because it might just come down. You know how it goes, like an elevator. We'll see. Playing the downtrend here and see if there you go. There you go. There you go. Boom. We got picked up. There you go. It should now test the middle band. It should not be able to fucking go out of the middle band in the first try, so we'll go ahead and set stop of 1 Bitcoin, and we'll set it at a little bit below the entry, 19,159, 19,159, 1 Bitcoins. There you go. Let's let it play now. See what happens. This could be a good play all the way down here. We'll go ahead and set the limit by. Wow, it went pretty hard already. It's pretty good. It got me out. Yeah, it got me out. Did make a little bit of buck on that one for sure. The price is pretty hardcore. Loving it, mate. It's been good trade so far, but we haven't made really much money. I think only like a couple bucks. You look at this guy here. Yeah. Wow, it's crazy volatility here. Yeah, man. You're looking at, you know, if you look at a longer time frame, it definitely be in the long game. But trading short, as we've been doing the shorts, actually a pretty good idea to go long. Loving the chat today, guys, and it's been great. We've did a couple of trades today, you know, made what, 20 bucks or so. We'll try to do a little bit more later on today. I have some other stuff I have to get to it. Appreciate the help, guys, and thank you all for being here, even though there's no one in the chat. Thanks, buddies. See ya.